cellular subscribers. Choose who you want for smart and talking subscribers. Kapamilya, vote wisely. Pinoy Big Brother Teen Edition 4.
Oras ng hapunan at sina Kit at Tel nagkatabi sa hapagkainan.
Kit, kumukuha ka na ng rice. Pwede mo rin ako Claire, kanino bake yan? Wala pang Thank you. Thank you, Kit. Okay na. Thank you.
Tapos na ang pagkain pero di pa rin tapos ang selusan.
Ano?
Yan nga pabango.
Ha?
Iwasan mo kita tayo.
Oh my God!
Bango ah. Parang naligo.
Bakit ito?
Ang kama.
Grabe yung dama.
Parang pagkumuhal ko kung word na siya. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Ito ba yun? Birthday ka na? Talagang buhay. Minsan, kailangan pa makalawa. Anak mo! Wala akong...
Kaya lang naman ako nagpangalawa dahil may Ryan event at publish niya eh.
Sobra ka! Grabe. At tropa ko yung mga yan eh. Dahil katay mo!
Tropa ko rin si Bertal oh.
Let's go. Kaya ako kasi kay Karen na lang. Yan talaga pag loyal kaya tumartal mo siya.
Tama. Oh! Kit and Karen, please define. What is the meaning of it? Si Maris binilo naman ang wikang Ingles.
You accuse me of ignorance?
No, I'm not ignorant because I'm not the for dateable.
You're ignorant.
No, I'm not indolent. That's because I have no weakness, because I have no hope.
Oh, the possibility.
Why I'm so beautiful.
Why are you crazy?
No, I'm not crazy. I'm just laughing, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen,
That's how. That's a camera tonight to be judged.
but
To judge.
she won.
Given his accusations.
Sabi niya.
What? You just got by the ring and then you spread like a fan. And you tell me that you love me.
Hate you. No?
Not you, Pikachu. You're telling him that you didn't love her? Why? Doesn't she hate you? Oh my God, this is hopeless. Sorry, girl, my God, I'm hopeless. Hey, I'm hopeless.
Paano mo
Oh my
naman?
God. Oh my God. Focus, I mean. The time is walking, so don't waste time. Oh my God! You don't have Yes, Kuya, what are you saying?
Maris, I don't know. I really don't know. What is the meaning of this? Ano ang dahilan sa di mo rin alitan ni Nerso sa mga kasama?
Sabi niya, oh, ito daw.
Abangan dyan dito lang sa Pinoy Big Brother Teen Edition 4.